Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, let us thank the Lord for gathering us in this beautiful Monday afternoon as we celebrate the 14th week in Ordinary Time Monday. And if you noticed, our gospel for today is also the gospel and the story 2 Sundays ago, no? Kung naalala po ninyo. But on that Sunday, the version of the two stories of miracles of our Lord is actually from the version of Saint Mark, kaya mahaba. Pero ngayon, medyo maikli because in today's gospel, the version is from Saint Matthew. And both versions, we see two people, an official and a woman suffering hemorrhages for so long, displayed extraordinarily their faith in Jesus, particularly the healing power of Jesus. The official and the woman with hemorrhages. They must have approached Jesus from a sense of desperation. The official for his daughter who just died, and the woman for her long suffering. The official knew about the death of his daughter, but he was not ready to give up. The woman believed that a covert touch of the cloak of Jesus would be enough. We saw that they were rewarded for their efforts, for their unwavering faith in Jesus. My dear brothers and sisters, may we be reminded of our personal incidents or problems that besets us in our lives. When problems lead us to despair, but our faith tells us that there will always come a time when our worries and problems will disappear. For the woman with hemorrhages, it took 12 years of patient suffering from her illness. And for the official, his daughter's death was something he was not ready for and which he could not accept. The encounter with Jesus brought what they wanted: life and healing. For the official, relief for his grief came rather quickly. But for the woman, healing took time. For the official, it was rather providential that Jesus was there in his time of grief. And for the woman, her long suffering and waiting ended in that encounter with Jesus. She waited and got what she wanted. My dear brothers and sisters, God works in our lives. Our prayers are answered. It may take time or it can be quick. But what matters is that we do not lose faith. Let us continue to display our confidence in God. The sufferings and tragedies of life will not make us lose our faith in God. Why? Because we have the living, or we have the God of the living is after our well-being. And since the time immemorial until today, what the Lord intends for us is our integral wholeness. That is why let us continue to have faith in Him. Let us continue to display and express our confidence in Him, especially when we asking for healing and good life. Because again, we have the God of living who is after our well-being.